Hi everyone, are you searching for the best CapCut alternative? Today we're checking out the Hitpaw Edimakor, a powerful, easy-to-use video editing software that might just be what you need. Let's dive in. CapCut is great, but it does have some limitations. It provides watermark in free versions, limited advanced editing tools, and might not run smoothly in all devices. So, is it Hitpaw Edimakor a better option? Let's find out. The Hitpaw Edimakor is a beginner-friendly video editor packed with powerful features including AI-powered editing tools, royalty-free music and sound effects, advanced transition and effects, no watermark in paid version. Then, then the Hitbow Maker features and more advanced editing tools. The Pro version it provides no watermark and the effects is more customizable than the CapCut. The export quality is up to 4K. The Hitbow Maker has a free version and also a Pro version. If you need a free, easy-to-use editor, CapCut is still a solid option. But if you want a more professional tools, no watermarks, and AI-powered features, Hitpaw Edimakor is worth checking out. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!